Hey everybody, Justin Sturgill here with Skinny Guy Campers. Welcome to Feature Friday, where we walk you around all the great features of our Skinny Guy camper. This week on our Feature Friday, we're going to talk about the table inside the Skinny Guy camper. The tabletop is constructed from HDPE. It measures 24 by 14 and has integrated cup holders. To support the table, we use the Lagun table leg. This table leg consists of the table base, which is underneath of the table, the arm, the leg, and then the bracket where it fastens. When all assembled, the Lagun table leg can support up to 50 pounds. The hand locks make it easy to move the table up or down or to swivel at 360 degrees into place, allowing plenty of space for everyone to sit around. To prepare the table for storage, first remove the table from the bracket that is fastened to the cabinet on the inside of the Skinny Guy. Then remove the leg and then use the slot on the base. Slide the arm on and then lock everything into place. Once in the stored position, use the magnets on the table and the cabinet to store the table and Lagun system together inside the Skinny Guy camper. If anyone has any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them. Hey, thanks for tuning in this week on our Feature Friday. We'll see you all next week.